Hello everyone, I am Shravan Goyal, Fund Manager of UTI Multi-Asset Allocation Fund. This fund is an equity-oriented hybrid scheme that offers a single route access to a diversified portfolio across equity, fixed income and gold. The fund follows a disciplined and valuation-driven asset allocation strategy based on an in-house developed proprietary financial model to circumvent human emotions of greed and fear. The fund endeavors to combine high growth potential of equity, stability of fixed income, and hedging properties of gold in a single portfolio. It helps to mitigate portfolio volatility with an aim to generate better risk-adjusted returns. There are two broad aspects for managing risk and return opportunities in this fund. Dynamic asset allocation across equity and gold based on in-house proprietary financial model and equity portfolio construction using integrated investing approach. UTI Multi-Asset Allocation Fund provides dynamic asset allocation to equities in the range of 40 to 80%, gold and fixed income in the range of 10 to 25%, based on relative attractiveness of these asset classes. The allocations are based on an in-house developed proprietary financial model. For equity allocation, the model considers three absolute valuation parameters, which are 1 year forward PE ratio, price to book value ratio, and dividend yield, and one relative valuation parameter of yield gap to determine the relative attractiveness of equity as compared to fixed income. For allocation to gold, the model considers gold to equity ratio. The G ratio indicates relative performance of gold as compared to equities. The allocation to gold is higher when G ratio is lower and vice versa. The residual allocation goes to relatively high rated fixed income and money market instruments. For equity, the fund follows an integrated investing approach which combines fundamental research with signals coming from the market using various factors. The strategy invests across market cap spectrum with stock selection based on market factors such as momentum and volatility, fundamental factors such as quality, growth and value, and size factors across large, mid and small caps. Dynamic management across these factors is based on longer term performance trends of these factors. For fixed income, the portfolio intends to focus on the accrual strategy with focus on the quality and liquidity of the portfolio. Hence, the allocation is predominantly in sovereign and AAA rated instruments. Exposure in gold is through investment in units of gold ETF, which replicates the performance of gold prices through investment in standard gold bars. To summarize, UTI Multi-Asset Allocation Fund can be considered as a single route access to a diversified portfolio of equity, fixed income, and gold in a process and tax efficient way. It aims to provide dynamic asset allocation with an objective to optimize risk adjusted returns. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.